The role of a manager or supervisor in food safety differs greatly from the role of the regular employees. Managers have a lot more responsibility when it comes to managing food safety and hygiene in the workplace. They are also responsible for keeping the staff educated and aware of the regulations that are in place. Managers have to be aware of the best ways to train their staff, keep them accountable, and deal with problems as they arise. Let's start with an overview of the exact responsibilities that managers in the food industry shoulder. No matter what title your position actually holds, it's important to know what exactly a supervisor is. Whether your title is supervisor, manager, or something similar, if you oversee, instruct, direct and/or control the work of other employees, you are a supervisor when it comes to food safety. Anyone in a managerial or supervisory position must be fully aware of food safety risks that are present in the workplace. They need to know where the highest risks to their company's food safety and hygiene lie, so that they can be properly monitored and avoided. Managers must be aware of their region's legal requirements when it comes to food safety and health. Inspections are commonplace, so being aware of what health inspectors are looking for is a key way to avoid legal complications. Managers must have knowledge of the first 2 points in order to be able to communicate them to the rest of the staff. Managers aren't always working, and they aren't always the ones handling the food, so it's essential that every staff member is made aware of the food safety essentials in a clear and concise way. Creating food safety measures and controls, as you learned in the last module, is another key managerial responsibility. Once everything is communicated to your staff and you're aware of the food safety dimensions in your workplace, the next step is to create these controls to keep everything running smoothly. Accidents and failures happen in any line of work. However, food safety needs to be maintained even in the case of an accident or failure. Managers need to be aware of how to handle such events. A solid knowledge of the proper way to construct controls and the details of food safety's importance make it easy for managers to figure out the best way forward after an unexpected event. Businesses working with food are often fast-paced and involve the work of many employees. It's essential for a few employees to be well versed in the world of food safety and the world of managing food safety. In order to keep things running smoothly and according to regulations, the supervisor's role is irreplaceable.